Hi guys, I'm Jake. I am 58 years old. I live in Pinetown near Durban in South Africa. Um, I actually don't know what I'm doing. I don't even know if YouTube will actually accept this video. Funny story, I only discovered YouTube last year. I've always heard of YouTube, heard about it. My son, teenage son, been telling me about YouTube, and I always thought it is just silly little videos, like the short videos and little jokey things, and because that's all I saw. He was watching most of it, most of the time. I did not know about the long form videos and like world news, and as you all know, all the interesting videos that are out there. So it has now been 8 months 8 months that I've been exposed to YouTube. It makes me feel very old. I'm filming this on an old Samsung phone, I think it's a A12. So yeah, I am not geared up for this at all. But I've decided to make this video because I've also decided that I'm going to start a YouTube channel. I don't know what I'm doing. I have watched a good couple of videos on advice on YouTube channels and things like that. So I have absolutely no idea what I'm doing, but I'm going to give it a go. Why not? Um, I think I've already contracted analysis paralysis. I've watched so many videos. I've posted one or two silly little videos just to check. I don't even have proper editing software. So it's going to be trial and error. There's going to be a lot of cringe. And you guys are welcome to point and laugh at me. That's fine. It will be part of the learning process. What I've learned is that, okay, real people don't like AI. I've done a few silly little AI videos, which got a couple of views, funny enough. So I'm learning about the algorithm that nobody can really predict. It's almost like, you go to a casino and you gamble. You don't know what those machines are doing, so you're either going to strike it lucky or not. So yeah, I'm going to give it a go. I decided to make this video to be like really the first video that I'm posting. So I will try and make videos, as I progress, and as I get better, as I create more videos. I'm obviously going to have to get a better camera, I think, and a microphone, I think. Like I say, I actually feel very primitive, like I'm out the bush. Like I lived in a forest under a rock for many, many years. I can't believe I was so stubborn that I didn't want to even look at YouTube. And apparently YouTube has been going for like 20 years. So I missed out on a lot. But I'm going to give it a go and I'll update you guys. I will post videos and I'm going to keep record of whatever happens. And let's see if I can make a success of this. I'm currently an estate agent, selling and renting property in the Greater Durban area. So sometimes I do have some time. I do have time on my hands in between whatever I do, wherever I need to go. So there will be time to do videos. But to be honest, I still don't actually know what would be my niche. Nobody wants to watch me show properties, to clients, or to go and take photos of a property or things like that. That's boring. So I'm going to try and think of something else, but I thought, let me make this video to make it clear that I don't know what I'm doing. And I hope to learn, and we'll take it from there. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching, and please remember to, and this I've seen on all the videos. Please remember to like and subscribe, and put on the notification button, notification bell, so that you don't miss when I upload my next video of absolute, probably chaos and cringe-worthy content. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a good evening. Bye-bye.